Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll show you how we can create a task management system in Laravel 12 and React Starter Kit. So here is my dashboard page. So every user have his own list, and within the list his own task, pending task and completed task. Okay, so that's it. It is the dashboard, and when I'll just simple click on view list, it bring me to the list page, and when I'll just simple click on view task, it bring me to the task page, and here it is paginated on 10 record per page, and it is server side pagination. And then now I'll just simple go to list, and I'll just simple add here the list, and I'll just simple name this as Laravel 12, and in the description for now just add this and click on create. And here you can see my list is added, and it show me in the toast notification that list created successfully. And now I'll just simple update it like Laravel 12 starter kit, and just click on update, and it update the list. And when I'll just simple click on delete, it delete the list. So that's great. Okay, so within each list user have task. Okay, so I'll just simple go to task, and here I'll just simple first search here Virginia, and just click on enter, and it search it in real time, and it show me the that record. Okay, and I'll just simple backspace and enter, and now I'll just simple also filter with completed task and pending task. Okay, and all the task. Okay, so now I'll just simple add the task, make it reverb, copy it, paste it here, and then mm, pass this in work task, pass this date here, make it completed. Okay, so it add the task here, and when I'll just simple go to dashboard, it also update the task from here. And now I'll just simple also edit these like reverb notification. Okay, and just click on update, and it update the title and all the things that you need to update. So that's it. This is our project, and the most important things that I like the most in this is when I'll just simple minimize it, it is responsive. And when I'll just simple go to dashboard, all pages are responsive, also list pages also responsive, and that's great. And the other feature that I like the most is when I'll change the appearance, it make all the pages change according to that appearance, and make all the pages dark, and it look good on dark appearance also. So all the pages are look good on the dark appearance, and it is responsive. Okay, so that's it. This is our today's video topic. So now this is our demo, and now we can again create this from scratch. So first of all, what we have to do is we just simple create a new Laravel project, and for this I'll just simple go to my Laravel projects directory where my Laravel projects are. It is in local disk D, and here is I have a Laravel 12. Okay, and here within it I'll just simple create a new folder, and I'll just simple name this as task project. Okay, that's it. And just close this, and I'll just simple open my VS Code, and within the VS Code I'll just simple open the folder that we recently created, that is in local disk D, and it is Laravel 12, and it is task project. Okay, just select this. And now within this folder, I'll just simple create a new Laravel project, Laravel 12 project. And for creating Laravel project, 12 project, as we know, we just simple use this command to create Laravel 12 project. Is Laravel new, and I'll just simple name my project as test. Okay, so you can name your project any if you want. Just click on enter, and here from it I'll just simple select the starter kit that we are going to work in this project is React. And also we need authentication. So right here Laravel and click on enter. And what and we don't need any testing. Just click on enter. And now within 2 or 3 minutes my project will set up, then we can then we can start working. So here you can see my project is now set up, so we just simple start working in it. Okay, so first of all I'll just simple navigate to my project using this command cd test. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is we just simple go with like setting up our database. And before it, I'll just simple show you here is my all starter kit file. So our starter kit is successfully set up. So I'll just simple go to database migrations, and within it I have these files. Okay, so I'll just simple as we are going to build our task management systems. So in the demo we see we have list and task. So I'll just simple create migrations for our table, that is list tables and task tables. And for this I'll just simple use this command to create these tables. PHP artisan make migration create list tables, and PHP artisan make migrations create task table. Okay, that's it. We just simple need these two, and now I'll just simple uh, modify it to add the columns in it that I need in these two tables. Okay, so in the list tables I have the ID, and now I'll just simple copy it again and paste it here. And then I have string, and the string I have title, and then I have a description, and I'll just simple make it nullable. Okay, and after it I have dollar table string, and this time I'll just simple make it foreign ID, and give it name here user underscore ID, and here I'll just simply add here constraint on delete cascade. Okay, that's it. And then I have simple timestamps. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple open the task table, and in the task table, I'll just simple copy this and paste it here. And in this, I have title, description, and I have one more that is, I'll just simple copy it and paste it here. And this is Boolean, and it is completed, and it is default false. Okay, and then I'll just simple copy it and paste it here. It is date, it is due underscore date. I'll just simple make it nullable. Okay, that's it. And then I have table for an ID, list underscore ID, then constraint on delete cascade. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and just close these migrations table. And now I'll just simple go to my .env file, and in the env file I have the database credentials comment out, uncomment out these. And as I'm using MySQL, so I'll add here MySQL, and also I need to change it from config database.php, and here add here MySQL. Okay, and just close this. Okay, and in the database name I'll just simply add here Laravel 12 task. Okay, just this, and just copy it, go to database, and here I'll just simply click on new and create a database name with same name that I added on my project. Click on create, and here you can see my database is created with same name Laravel 12 task. And now I'll just simple run my migrations, close this, and just use this command php artisan migrate. Okay, so it create all my tables successfully without any error. Just click on it again, and here you can see I have the task tables and list tables. Okay, that's great, all set up. Okay, so now what we have to do is I'll just simple create now models, and for this I'll just simple make models. So for creating model I'll just simple use this command php artisan make model task list, and php artisan make model task. Okay, that's it. We just simply need these two models. Okay, and just close this terminal, and I'll just simply define the relationship in the models first. So go to models, and first go to task, and within the task I'll just simple first define the protected variable in it, and for this I'll just simply use a protected dollar variable, and in this I have title, then description, then is completed, then due underscore date, then list underscore id. Okay, so these are my columns in my task table. Okay, that's it. And just close this, and after it I'll just simply define a function that is public function list, and list belongs to, and within it I'll just simply return $this belongs to. Here I'll just simply add task list class, and pass here list underscore id. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this, and now I'll just simply go to my task list, and just copy this, go to task list, and within it I'll just simply paste this here. And in the task list I have just in the list I have just title, description, and user id. Okay, title, description, and make it here user id. Okay, that's it. And make here function like task has many, and return this has many, and pass here just task class. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple copy it again and paste it here, and choose here public function user, and it is belongs to, return $this belongs to user class. Okay, that's it. We just simple use this, and I'll just simple import these relationships as many belongs to. Just copy it and paste it here, and make it eloquent relations slash belongs to. Just copy it and paste it here, and also I have this relation that is has many. Okay, and also I'll just simple copy it and paste this here. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now we are good to go. And just close this, and I'll just simple run my application, and just navigate to project first. They use here PHP artisan serve, and just navigate to project, and I'll just simple run my npm server. You can also run this by composer runtime, but I'll just simple run this separately. So I'll just simple open it, and here you can see it is showing me Laravel 12 welcome page, or we can say this as starter page. So I'll just simple register with a user, and I'll just simple name this as Lina, and Lina at the rate gmail.com, and in the password I'll just simple add here password. Okay, that's it. Just click on create account, and here you can see it bring me to the dashboard page, and here is my dashboard page. Okay, so within it what we have to do is, as we see in the demo, I have in the sidebar two nav item. Okay, that is list. So user first create the list, and within the list user can add the task. Okay, and for this I'll just simple uh, close this, and just go to resources JS, and here is my starter kit. So go to components, and in the components I have app sidebar. Okay, so this is the sidebar that is showing here. Okay, so what we need here, I need here two nav item, and for this creating nav item, I'll just simple copy it and paste it here two times. Okay, and I'll just simple name this as list, and then I'll just simple name this as task. Okay, and here I'll just simple add here route this slash list, and in the task I'll just simple add here this slash task. Okay, so it is showing me slash list and task. Just save this here, just reload it, and here you can see it is showing me list and task. But I also change here, want to change here the icons, and for this I'll just simple add here icon, and it is like first is I'll just simple add here clipboard list. Okay, and just copy it and paste it here, and then I'll add here list to do, and just copy it and paste it here. Okay, that's great. So it is now showing me amazing icon related to list and task. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now I just close this, and now here in the JS in the pages I have this dashboard page. So now I need to create new pages, and for this creating new pages, I'll just simple in the pages I'll just simple make a new folder, and I'll just simple name this as list, and within the lists I'll just simple add and make a new file and name this as index dot, like this, index dot tsx. Okay, that's great, and just close this, and now again I'll just simple make a new folder, and this time I'll name this as task, and within the task I'll just simply make a new file and name this as index.tsx. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now we successfully make the pages and the nav items. So now we need to render these pages. So for this we need to define the routes, and we need to define the functions for it. Okay, and for this we need some controller and functions in it, and for this I'll just simple make two controllers. Okay, so I'll just simple make a controller, and for making controller I'll just simple use this command, that is php artisan make controller task controller slash slash resource. Okay, so slash slash resource automatically make all the functions of CRUD in it. Just click on enter and it make the task controller, and also I need the list controller. So I'll just simply add here lists and click on enter. So it creates both controllers here, app http controllers, and here you can see I have both list and task controller. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is I'll just simple go to my lists, and here we just simple define all the functions for all the function for rendering the view and creating list and updating and deleting this. Just close this and I'll just simple already here this function. So first I'll just simple import some inertia that I need here, inertia slash sha. Okay, that's it. And also I need here use model, and this model is task list. Okay, that's it. And now in the index function, I'll just simple define the logic. And for this, I'll just simply need to render the list from task list model. And I'll just simply make here where user underscore ID is login user ID, auth ID. Okay, that's it. And I'll just simple want to get the task with its, just use this here get. Okay, that's it. And then I'll just simple return inertia render, and it is in list slash index, and then it is list dollar list, and then after it flash, and here I'll just simply add here success session success error session error. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and just click on save, and open the terminal. Before opening the terminal, I'll just simple go to web.php, and here I'll just simple first import the uh, controller and define the route for it. Okay, and for it I'll just simple first import a use app slash http slash controller slash list controller. Okay, that's it. And here in the auth verified, I'll just simple define the route, and within it I'll just simple add here list, and after it class. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this and just navigate to project and just optimize it. Okay, and now I'll just simple reload and just go to list, and this time it is saying me base table or view not found task underscore list. Okay, so I think we did mistake, and mistake in this, that is I'll just simply go here and open the model and go here, and here I need to define the uh, here is name is task list, and but my table name is list. Okay, so I'll just simply define the table name here. So just simply use here, just copy it, paste it here, product it dollar table, and pass in it list. Okay, that's it. And add here dollar table, and just optimize it, and just reload it. And now I'll just simply go to list, and it is showing me empty page. Okay, because I don't have anything on list. Okay, so that's great. It is successfully rendering the list. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so first of all, what we do is we define all the CRUD APIs for list, and then we can make the list view, and then we go to task. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simply close this, go to list, and within it I'll just simply define the function and that are remaining. Okay, index, and then I have the store function, and in the store function I have this request dollar request, and just I'll use here, and then dollar request validate, and within it I'll just simply pass here title. It is required string, just this. Okay, then copy it, paste it here, and then I have the description, and it is also make it nullable string. Okay, and don't make it max. Okay, just this, and then after it I'll just simply use here task list, using this here. I'll just simply use here dollar validated, and then pass here user underscore id is equal to auth. We just simply do this for adding the task, and after it just return redirect, and in the route return it on list dot index, and with success list created successfully. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this, and save this, and then I have the update function, and it is this, and in the update I'll just simple add here dollar request, and within it I'll just use a task list, and within it pass a dollar list. Okay, and then I'll just simple copy all this, and pass in it update, and make it dollar validated request validate it out, it validated in the same way that we validated on creating, and then after it I'll just simple use here dollar list. Then instead of this I'll just simply use here update, and pass in it validated. Okay, that's it. We just simply do this and return redirect route list dot index with success list updated successfully. Okay, that's it. It is just simple as it is. Okay, then I have again task list model, and just make the object of model using this. I have list daily, and then after it return redirect the route, and within the route I'll just simply redirect on a list dot index with list successfully. Okay, That's it. So we successfully define all the routes for creating and updating and deleting lists. So that's it. We are good to go. And just open the terminal and here I'll just simple optimize it again. Okay, that's it. And I'll just simple go to my list index page and here I'll just simple close this and I'll just simple start writing code in it to make the list look like list space look like same as did that I'll show you on the demo. So that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this extra code, okay, and just save this, okay, and here just go to browser and so here you can see it is saying me fail to import UI text area. So we need to add here the text area, and for this I'll just simply go to terminal, new terminal, and here just navigate to project and add here the text area using this command npms x UI latex add text area. Just click on Y to proceed, and now it add the text area, and now I'll just simply reload it. I'll just simple go here, resources, components, UI, and so I'll add here. So here you can see it is saying me shared CN UI package use shared CN. So I'll just simple use here shared CN just. Okay, and just click on apply. And it now add the components in the UI text area. Just save and go here, and now you can see it is showing me the list page same as it is that we see on the demo. So I'll just simple add here the new list. So I'll just simple name this as list one, and also name this as here list one, and just click on create. And it is saying me app controller user ID does not found. So I think we have error, and just close this and just go to list controller, and just go here uh, in the store. So I think I have error here, that is user ID. So we need to fix it like so. Okay, so I need to pass this in the inverted commas. Just save this and just reload it, and now I'll just simply create the list again, that is list one, and then again list one. Just click on create, and now it is saying me where clause task underscore list underscore ID. So I think we have another error in it, that is task list create. So I think we have error in the task list. So I think we have error in this here. So I don't need here the task. So just remove it and click on save. And now you can see it is showing me task. Okay. it is showing me list. Okay, so that's great. And now I'll just simple update it. And it is saying me update cannot be called statically. So I think we have error in update also. So it is like this update. And now I'll just simple update it again to list 2 and click on update. And here you can see it is saying me list updated successfully. And I'll add here list 2. Okay, that's great. And now I'll just simply add here another list, that is travel plan 2. Okay, and just click on create. And here you can see it is added the list, and also it add the user ID and list here. So that's great, amazing. So it is also responsive. Okay, so that's great. So now what we have to do is we just simple go to task. But before going to task, we need to define the function for task, and we completed the list functionality. So just go to task controller, and within this I need to define all the functionality. Okay, and just go here task controller. And now in it I'll just simple first copy it and paste this here. Okay, and here I need to add here a model task list, and also I need to add here task. Okay, that's great. And now on the index, I want on the index page all the tasks, and also we want to filter the task with name and by status, that is pending and completed. Okay, and for this I'll just will make here dollar query task, and use here with list, and after it where has list function, and dollar query. Okay, that's it. And then after it I'll just simply add here order by created underscore at descending. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this. And after it I need to handle the search. Okay, and for this if dollar request has search, then dollar search request search. Okay, and I'll just simple add here again query where pass here function dollar search. Okay, that's it. And after it here I'll just simple add here q where title like search. Okay, and after it, or where description like pass here this. So we just simple do this, and also I need to handle the filter, and for this I'll just simple use here if request, and also remove this here. Just make it here request has filter and request filter all. Okay, just this, and after it I'll just simple pass here the query, and pass here where is underscore completed request filter, and make it here completed. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and after it I'll just simple return here dollar task dollar query, and just paginate it on server side, paginate it 10. Okay, then lists, task list, where user id auth id get. We just simple do this, and also in the auth pass these brackets, and then simple return task slash index. Then I'll add here task dollar tasks. Okay, then lists dollar lists, and then filters. Just add here search request search. Okay, and in the filter I'll add here request filter. That's it. We just simple do this, and after it pass here flash and the success error, I'll just simple copy from this and paste this here. Okay, and just close this. Okay, we just simple do this, and this is my index function, and then we create the store, update, and destroy function. Then we can make the view of task. Okay, and now I'll just simple create the first store function, and within it I'll just simple go to here and just copy this and go to task controller and paste this here and make it same as it is, request validated title description, and after description I have due underscore date, and make it nullable date, and then after it I have list underscore id and make it required exist list id. Okay, that's it. And in the last I have is underscore completed and make it boolean. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and after it I'll just simple use here task create, and within it just pass this dollar validated, and we don't need this array. Okay, that's it. And after this return redirect task dot index, and then task created successfully. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple copy it and paste this in here. Sorry, just copy it, paste this here, the request, and then task dollar task. Okay, and then validated request validate, list id is completed boolean, all the things same as it is. Then I'll use here dollar task update validated and use this sign here. Okay, return redirect task updated successfully. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and in the destroy I'll just simple copy this and paste this here and make it task dollar task, and then task delete return redirect route task dot index with task deleted successfully. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple go to browser and reload it and just go to task. It is saying me not found because I'll just simple terminal. Here I'll just simple optimize it. Okay, and just go to task, and it is saying me not found. So I think we missed the routes. So just go to web.php route. So I need to define here the route for it. Just paste this here and make it task, and it is this task controller and also import it. Just copy it, paste this here, just copy it, paste this here, and then optimize it. And then I'll just simple reload it. And now I'll just simple go to task and it bring me to task page, but now I don't have any task, so that's why it's not showing. Okay, so now what we have to do is we just simple close this and close this and just go to JS and go to pages and go to task, and it is my task page. So I'll just simple start writing code in it. Okay, And now I'll just simple remove this extra brackets. Okay. And it is just simple code. I'll provide you the GitHub repo and it is very easy. Okay. And now I'll just simply go to browser and just reload it and just go to task. And on the task, it is not showing me anything. And I'll just inspect it. So it is saying me error React children only expected to receive a single. Okay. So I think we have error that is as child. So in it, I need to remove this as child. Okay. Just save this and just reload it. And now, and now you can see it is showing me the task page. Okay, that's great. So now I'll just simply add a new task and I'll just simply name it as Laravel Reverb. Just copy it and paste this here. And in the list, it is showing me the list that I have. I'll just simply make it list 2, date this and make it. Just click on create and hope so it not give me any error. So it is saying me task created successfully. So I'll just simply edit a task, make it Laravel Livewire. Just click on update and it updates the record. Okay, that's great, amazing. And it is responsive also. So that's great, amazing. So I'll just simply create a new task and make it list 2 and make it completed and just click on delete and it is deleting record also. So that's great. And all the simple filter with and also my filter is also working. Okay, that's great. And now I'll just simply make it completed and pending. Okay, so my filters and my task page, add, delete, and update task are all working. Okay, so that's great, amazing. Okay, so the only thing that we left is for dashboard, and on the dashboard, I need to show the total task of the user and total list of the login user. And for this, we need to set up the dashboard. We need to set up the dashboard controller. And for this, just go to route. And here you can see now it is not passing any function and any thing on the dashboard page. It is just simple return the dashboard on this route. So we need to make the function that return the total task and total list count of on the dashboard. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I'll just simple open a new terminal and here I'll just simple make a controller and I'll name this as dashboard controller. Okay, and just close this. And here is my dashboard controller, and in the dashboard controller index I'll just simply define the function and in the function I'll just simple make a $user auth $user. Okay, and that's it. And then I have $list task list where user underscore ID, and I'll just simple pass here user ID. Okay, and just get. Okay, that's it. And now then I'll just simple get the task from task model, and here I'll just simple uses where has list function $query use $user. Okay, that's it. And then it I'll just simple pass here query where user underscore ID $user ID. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and after it, I'll just simple pass a dollar stats, and in it, I'll just simple pass here first total list $list count. Just copy it, paste it 3 times, and then I have a total task, and in the total task, I have task, and then I have completed task, and here I have tasks where is underscore completed true. Okay, and count. Okay, then in the pending task, I have the logics, that is we need to fetch task where is underscore completed false. Okay, and just count it. Count. Okay, that's it. And then close this, and after it, I'll just simple return render, and I'll just simple go to here. Just copy this, paste this here, and just copy it, paste this here. Okay, and in it, I need to return render dashboard, and on the dashboard, I need to pass stats as a stats, then a list as a list, and then task as a task. Okay, and then flash success error. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and after it, I'll just simple define the route for it, and in this, I'll just simple import the controller first, and my controller name is dashboard controller, and just pass define the route and function for it, and it is route get slash dashboard. On the dashboard, I have dashboard controller dash h class. The class I have index function. They just name it as dashboard. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple optimize it, and just go here, just go to dashboard, and it is returning dashboard, and now we need to just go to my dashboard and just uh, need to make this view on this view, uh, return total stats and all the things. Okay, so just close this, and here I'll just simple remove all the code and just simple start writing code in it to return total task list and all the things. Okay. Okay, so that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this and just save this. Okay, and just go to browser and just here you can see it is showing me to your total task list and your task and task completed, and yeah, here it show me the log content. Okay, and now I'll just simple click on view task. It bring me to the list page and go. I'll just simple go to view task. It bring me to a view task page, and just go to view list. It bring me to view list page. Okay, so that's great, amazing. So now I'll just simple add the task here. Adjust this. Okay, for now, and add here date and just make it completed. And now here you can see it it in make the task total task 2, and also update the task from here. So that's great, amazing. So the most important thing that I like the most in it is responsive. It all pages are responsive, and the other thing in it, uh, responsiveness, and the other thing is it is also when I'll change the theme, it also look good on the black appearance. All the pages, list, task, and dashboard, all the pages look good on the black appearance also. So that's great, amazing. Okay, so this is our today's video demo how we can create these list and task management system in Laravel 12 and React Starter Kit. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.